See that boy right up? He piped up. See that girl right up? She piped up. Pipe it up. Pipe it up. Pipe it up. Pipe it up.
I'm going on out of there.
Yay. I stand on the stage and I pipe it up. Get a regular hotel or pipe it up. Buy a band up and I pipe it up. 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 Pipe it up.
All right, guys. Welcome to the first of many nights in the studio with Hype and Hot Productions.
Hype it out.
Hype and Hot Podcast. What? Tea Sippers.
Yes.
Tea Sippers. Just got thrown off. Tea Sippers.
Yes. Yes. I am eccentric tea.
All
I
right.
am chai tea.
And I am Spice Tea. And tonight we have with us
Chocolate tea.
You better know it.
Yes, sir.
And we got in the corner over there, DJ Mr. T.
How you doing? DJ Dave Dollar. Yeah, Caramel TV in here.
Okay. Caramel.
Yes, thirsty.
All right, guys. So this is our first night on the air. So we're gonna, of course, begin with introductions, and we're gonna go from there. So let's start. Who's going first, Chai or Eccentric?
Chai.
All right, Chai. You take the mic, girl.
Okay. Hey everybody. My name is Chai Tea. Besides the fact that I just love chai tea, iced or hot, however it comes, chai tea is sweet and spicy, and I think that's me. Very sweet, a little spicy when need be.
Okay.
You know, I'll give it to you however you like it.
Okay.
Traditionally, chai tea is blended with spices that promote calm and peace of mind. I'm all about that. I gotta have my peace.
All right.
If it ain't peaceful, if it's stressful, it got to go, and it gotta go now.
Right now.
Right now.
Right now.
Right now. I'm an Army brat. I was raised in Raleigh. I graduated from Inlow High School with DJ Dave Dollar.
Right.
And I'm an Aggie. Aggie, right?
Okay.
I'm a Zeta. I've been a Zeta for over 12 years now. I know it kind of sounds cliche, but it really helped mold me into the person I am today.
Cliche. No, I'm just playing.
But yeah, some more about me. I'm a Virgo. And I'm a Virgo in every sense of the word. I am passionate. I'm a perfectionist at times. I'm easily annoyed. I love hard, and I'm really down to earth. If I love you, I love you. If I don't, then stay away.
Okay.
I'm a loctician at Locks, Naturals, and More in Garner. And that is where I met Miss Spice Tea.
All right.
And I've been rocking with her ever since. I'm a tattoo addict, and I'm a shopaholic.
All
I feel like tattoo therapy and retail therapy has saved plenty of life. You know, when I'm upset and angry, I just need some ink, and I can calm down. You know, it kind of relaxes me, it soothes me. I'm a virgin.
Of what?
To the mic.
Oh.
Hey! We're gonna bust it wide open. I was introduced to the podcast world by Spice Tea, and Yes, Spice Tea. And I really like her vision and what she wants to bring to the table and what she brings to Raleigh. So I'm here for the long haul. As a member of Pipe and Hot Tea, I just really look forward to working with these two ladies, Eccentric Tea and Spice Tea. They have a lot to give and a lot to offer, so I'm just ready to learn and have fun.
All right.
Hey.
I like it.
Hey.
I like it like that. But did y'all hear that? We popping her cherry tonight, though.
Oh, yes. I'm a virgin.
Not
Yeah.
no more.
Well, I can't say that I'm a virgin to the mic because I used to do open mics. I love karaoke. So this is not new.
Okay.
I love my little 10 minutes of fame.
Ooh.
But good evening, everybody. Good
Good
evening.
evening.
My name is Latoya, my government.
Ooh.
But tonight and every Wednesday night, I will be going by Eccentric Tea.
Eccentric.
Every Wednesday night, 8 o'clock?
Every Wednesday night at 8 o'clock.
All right.
I chose that name basically because eccentric means uncommon, peculiar, extraordinary, unconventional, free spirit. And all those things I feel describe me. I'm a Sagittarius. Sagittarius through and through. We are very generous people. We're very loving people. We love really, really hard. We wear our heart on our sleeve. But when you cross us, it's not good. But I try not to go across that line, you know. I give you a lot of chances. But overall, I'm originally from New Jersey. Woo woo! But I've been in North Carolina for half of my life, so I do call it home. But I will never disregard my Jersey roots. I'm 42 years old, soon to be 43.
Black don't cry.
Hey, and I'm loving my 40s. I have two beautiful sons, my kings, ages 23 and 18. They are who molded me into who I am today. They just inspired me to be better. A little bit about my background. I had my first child at 19. Got married very young. Was married for half of my life. Now divorced 3 years. Entering into this new generation, new world. Learning new things, and it's been a roller coaster.
Okay.
But we'll get more into that deeper in the show. But that's what I feel I could bring, a different perspective on life and relationships after a really long relationship and a long connection and starting over.
Yes.
I'm in a new place. But I was brought into the podcast world by my girl, Spice T.
Oh, that's me again. Hi.
Yes. And I am definitely excited, overjoyed to help. That word it means a lot to me. If we could only help one person.
Yes, indeed.
And that's all off of experiences. We've all had experiences in life that other people may not be comfortable to talk about and comfortable to share. So if we're talking about some of those things, I'm sure people at home can relate.
Yeah.
So that's what excites me about this whole movement.
Okay.
So that's basically it. We can move on to Spice T if she wants to get in our world a little bit.
Yeah, you guys have so much. I have nothing.
Oh.
I didn't know we were introducing our zodiacs, so let me start there.
Okay.
I am a Pisces, the best, We swim in many waters, and we swim very well. I started on This Is How We See It with Eric Lee and his crew, and I have to give a shout out to them because, you guys, this has been a passion for me for my whole life. I've been an open book since I could talk. I love to talk. I love to express myself. I used to write poetry. I love living. I love living out loud. And they gave me my first mic. So thank you. And if you guys ever get an opportunity, look for them. This Is How We See It. Eric Lee is the main host, and he's a phenomenal dude. And so is the rest of it. I get a little nervous, leave me alone. So is the rest of his crew. And after them, I went on to Tea Sippers, which is how I came about with the name Tea for Us. It was a crew of us, and we kind of took it back to Dear Abby, where we had people writing in letters, and we would read the letters and we would discuss them. And man, when I tell y'all, people have had some stuff. They've had some stuff, and that's part of what we're gonna bring to Pipin' Hot Podcast as well. I believe in, people always talk about the stars, entertainers, and just famous people around the world, but I'm big on promoting what we got right here in my hometown. I think we famous around here in Raleigh.
Now we're not.
You know what I'm saying? So, and we have so much talent out here. We have two great talents in the building with us tonight that we're going to introduce shortly, but every week I want somebody different. So you guys, if you're out there watching, if you're listening, come on, hit us up and let us know when you're available. We're coming on every Wednesday night at 8 o'clock, but glory to God, I signed this lease September 19th, and I have the keys to the building, so we can come at any time. Call us. Hey, I got something on my mind. I want to get on the mic, and we come into the building, so hit us up. I don't know what else to say besides I'm Spice T. I bring spice to the table, and that's the only way I bring it. I don't got a little sweet, I'm spice. I live in my own lane, period. As I was saying earlier, at the meet and greet, somebody asked me, who's producing your show? Because you're going to need somebody to edit and do this and do that. And I'm like, I stopped editing my life a long time ago for the world. So what you guys see on here, you can feel how you want to feel about it. You can judge it. You can say whatever, but we free in here. We free to be who we are. Everybody's going to say what's on their mind. They got this man in the White House saying what's on his mind. We're going to do the same damn thing.
That's right.
So here we are on the mics tonight, and we're bringing it live. And I'm going to turn the mic over to our amazing guest, Miss Chocolate Tea, and let us hear about her and her background. And we're going to take it from there.
Hey!
Welcome.
Chocolate tea in the building.
Hey.
First, let me say I love Jesus.
Hallelujah.
I am where I am because God has been great to me. But for those of you who don't know the name Chocolate Tea, I go by the name of Tish Songbird. And I'm blessed.
Indeed.
I'm better than blessed. And I'm just happy to be here with the teas.
Hey.
All
Spicy.
right.
Eccentric.
Yeah.
And chai.
And chai.
Chai.
Yeah, I'm from the country. I'm like, tea. Chai tea. So, but yes, Tish Songbird, I'll be 38 next month.
All right.
All right.
Since they're telling their zodiac signs, I am a Scorpio.
I
Scorpio. The best. Thank you, Lord.
We out here.
I'm a
Scorpio.
I'll be 38 next month. And my story, hey, I'm a little country girl. It's like Mike sang a song. Everybody was like, oh my gosh, I guess because I was so different and my voice was so unique. I've had my struggles. They told me I was too thick to be an R&B diva. And not only have I proven them wrong, I'm still proving them wrong. I have hit the stage with some of the greatest in the world. The Isley Brothers, Monica, Fantasia, Chrisette Michelle, Tank, everybody, a lot of people. My brain is retarded when it's time for me to tell folks stuff, but I have been blessed, and I'm not saying that to brag, but it is my purpose to let people know the world will put everything in front of you to tell you what you cannot do. It's because I love God and He taught me how to love myself that I can look at all these Negroes and tell them everything, not only that I can do, but that I am going to do.
Okay, and watch me.
And watch me. Watch me. And so I'm blessed, and I got an album out.
All right.
Look forward. iTunes, Google Play, Amazon, all that. Cheap plug, but I'm going to do it. Tish Songbird, Perfect Imperfections. And I'm also working on my sophomore album. I just did a photo shoot today. Look, let me tell you, I did the photo shoot, and the dude was cute.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And they was telling me to rub on him.
All right.
I'm going to start
How
this
did you rub him, girl?
I came from the back.
Okay.
And they were saying for me to be sexy. I said, I don't know how. Yeah. On the photos, he grinning. All you see is foot. Stuff in his ear. Toya, you know me. This time last Friday at one of my shows.
And it was phenomenal.
Thank you, but your spirit was amazing. Toya is actually, I'm sorry, Eccentric Tea. Eccentric Tea is actually a great friend of mine. We've been hanging for a couple of years, and I adore her. But she spoke so highly of you. And so I feel like I've gained two new sisters because Chai/Chi Tea. I love it. You are amazing as well. And we don't talk. I'm on our there's a couple of things I want to say. I just started sweating already because, you know,
turn up the heat.
Scorpio.
Turn up the heat.
Scorpio. We get a little nasty. I ain't gonna get nasty though. Nasty. Well, look, thank you for having me to the table.
Okay, can I play a little snippet though? Can I play a little snippet from her freshman album? Just a little snippet.
Are we getting a little bit of 4?
This is track number 4. And it
Four
goes
is
by.
Say 4.
4. Track number 4.
Track 4.
Don't Let Me Go.
Uh-oh. That's my mama's favorite song.
Is this song for anybody for y'all? Don't Let Me Go.
Don't Let Me Go. I ain't in this spirit right now.
I am. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, be one of your biggest fans. Way before they knew I had a thought of you. me, console me, don't let me go. Hey, hey, hey,
I'm acting up.
That's what she do best. That's what she
That's
do
my
best.
first time in.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You gotta hear the whole album.
DJ,
Yeah.
DJ, we're gonna talk some stuff. You know,
You gotta see her live though, because she does not just sing. She puts
That was
on a
fire.
performance.
Thank
She's
you.
entertainment.
Thank you.
Yes.
God bless
And the
you.
word though. For me, the word in between each song, that the message.
When she come off stage. Listen, let me tell you something. My first time seeing her, but I knew when she moved and started walking down the steps.
It was over.
Yeah.
She came to the crowd and it was over.
It was
Like
over.
somebody's grandma. They call this mic. Don't do
When you
it.
touch somebody.
And to pray for you.
Give it to him one time. Give it to him one time.
What you want me to get to him? See, there you go, acting up.
It was
It was
the
drink.
tea.
It was that drink. It was the tea.
It's that
So
specialty.
you done took my
Yes.
tea.
So when and where can I see you? When's
Well,
your next show?
my next show is actually November 4th
Okay.
at the Star Bar
We'll
from
be
9
there. We'll be
9
there.
to 11.
Okay.
I do that. Then
Child.
I am having my birthday bash
Okay.
/ single release because I'm about to release my single, Love He Won't Forget. That's
That's
gonna
your
be
sophomore
November,
album.
yeah, my sophomore album. But it will be November 16th, which is my birthday. Scorpio.
Hey.
Everybody, look, just clap, just
All
clap.
right.
I'm gonna let you have it. I'm gonna let
So
you have
I will be at Level.
Okay.
That's where I met you at. Wait a minute, don't you tell me what your name. I suck with names. I used to
Oh, I
smoke
thought
a
you were about
little.
to say you suck. Okay.
Oh, I do suck.
Okay.
But
Hallelujah.
Good.
great.
Okay.
What you talk, girl? Bye.
Yeah.
Just making sure.
But I'm
That's
just
what
saying,
that
I suck with names. Wait a minute, spicy.
Spice.
I used to smoke a little weed in college.
That's okay.
That
That's
was
a
years
story.
ago.
Years
Yeah, in college.
Yeah.
But I will be back at Level nightclub on Newburgh Avenue. Dope new spot. I love it
Yes.
there. They treated me very great. But I will be doing my birthday / single release party there on November 16th, which is Thursday night.
Okay.
So y'all come out and check me
Oh,
out.
We in there. We in there.
Y'all hear that?
Yes.
Y'all hear that? Make sure they know.
Yeah. No. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
November.
Yeah.
November 16th, Level nightclub. We're gonna be there, and we're doing that. So we
No.
getting it in. We getting it
Go
in.
live.
We getting it in.
Live and interact.
Well, thank you. I just be telling the truth
Yeah.
because the new single "Love You Won't Forget." I don't mind telling this because I was in the right. I'm trying to get my. I'm in the right.
She was in the right.
I'm trying to get him to sign. He won't sign the divorce papers.
Oh Lord.
We've been separated now for over 4 years.
Okay.
He came to visit his child, and I found out he had a girlfriend. I didn't trip. My only thing was, but why the heck won't you sign the damn divorce? Excuse me, Lord, for cussing. Why won't you sign the divorce papers if you got a woman? Y'all never guess what he hit me with. I hope he watching. Hope
Turn
his
him on.
chick. Hope his chick watching too.
What did he say, girl?
He gonna look at me and say, well, I'm her boyfriend, but she's not my girlfriend.
What the hell?
Hold up.
Now this real life tea.
That's real life.
This real life. This happened about 2 months ago. And I'm like, what? What? He says I'm her boyfriend, but she's not my girlfriend.
Yeah, I done heard that one before too.
This is just part of the game. I said, like the game you playing now. Sign the damn papers. He would not sign the divorce papers. But that's because I suck.
I'm a papers girl.
No.
He sign them.
But what you can do, right?
What?
You can file it in the paper.
News
In
and
the
observe.
newspaper.
I have a lawyer.
No, don't
He
put
done
it.
said, no, they know he has the divorce papers.
He got 3 weeks
But
to
he
see it in the
has. If you
paper.
put it in the papers and
Yeah.
he does not come forward after 3 weeks, then you can just go forward without him.
All
See,
right.
that's too much when I done spent money. It's fine downtown.
You done,
Everything is taken care of. He's in New York.
you done spent the
What?
chicken.
Yes, he is not even in the state of North Carolina.
You single.
I am. Look, let me look at the camera again.
She's single too.
I am single.
Single.
So for all of you men,
And she's a
shut up
chocolate tea.
and like chocolate and thickness, because I love my belly too.
yes.
I'll let you girl. That's how it goes.
Hey,
I'll let
yes.
All right. Well,
This
before
is
we get
single
into
and
our
single.
letters, we have to bring to the table Mr. DJ
DJ.
in the
Dave
building.
Dollar.
What's going on?
The
So
whole
tell us a
baby.
little about you, Mr. DJ. Hey, Mr.
Well,
DJ.
ow,
Can
ow.
get it started.
Everybody's ready to party.
Hey,
Going
all night,
going
all night.
That was your intro.
Nah, but I'm 32 years old. Be 33 in 2 weeks. Scorpios me in here. Holla. You know what I mean?
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, I've been DJing
It's
for about,
fine. It's all good. Leave
it's
me
all
alone.
good. I've been DJing for about 17 years now. I went to school with.
Nigga, you look 12.
and a half.
DJ, how
You got a mustache.
17 years. I've been DJing 17 years. I went to school with Miss Chai T, Jamina here.
Yeah.
Graduated in Low.
That's right.
All the time. Raleigh's pretty much my second home. I'm from New York, I'm from the Bronx. And music is.
Am I the only one that noticed when she said New Jersey and he said New York, a whole nother accent came?
We know said Bronx.
I mean, you never
Jersey, New York. Speaking country all day.
The whole
right
time.
all day, the whole
I'm
time.
originally from Jersey.
It come out sometimes, you know.
You know what I'm saying? You
But
gotta
at the same
conform to
time,
your environment.
You gotta conform to your environment. Yes, I am a little country city, as they say.
There you
A
go.
little southern.
Country tea. That's what I'm gonna call it. That's that country tea.
That Earl
Yeah,
Palmer.
That's exactly what I thought about. Try it all out.
Arnold Palmer, all right,
All the time.
all that.
Every time I go to
That part.
every time I go to Chick-fil-A, let me get one of them.
Yeah.
One of them.
One of them.
You don't even call the name, just one of them.
Let me get one of them.
Gotcha.
But music and life and love is my passion. That's what it is.
Life and love.
Life
So
and
does
love.
that mean you're single or are you in love or?
No, I'm actually expecting my third child.
Wow.
Yeah.
I wish I was 12.
Well, congratulations.
I wish I was 12, yeah, but you know, that's what it is. Life and love, positivity, no
Yeah.
negativity, none of that.
That's for sure.
Okay.
That's the space I'm in right now.
Yeah, stay there.
Got to.
Yeah.
But people drag me out
No.
all the time.
Well,
They drag you.
It's okay.
But
Let go.
I stay positive though.
Yeah. Shake it off.
You know, at the moment, yo, if y'all want to come hear me DJ though, come to 40 Ounce Bounce at Emerge, October 27th. Be in the building with DA Fannie Mae.
Okay, I'm your
My
fan right
homie
now.
Chulo, he performing. We're gonna turn it up on him.
Where's that at?
Emerge
We know where Starbright
is
is.
on, I think it's on Capitol Boulevard.
It's called Emergence.
Emerge, IMURJ.
Okay.
It's a new spot. It's kind of low key.
Is it like near a
I
corner,
like
like with the
low-key.
kitchen? Or no?
I can tell you this.
Okay, we'll find it. We will find it. We will find
What's the date again?
it. People will show
October
up.
27th,
I'm tired.
Yeah.
2 days before my birthday, so we're gonna turn up.
Oh, you in October, Scorpio. I don't think they count.
What?
I'm just
Oh,
playing.
wow.
Oh, just
Wow,
playing.
she shattered your
I'm just
You're not a real Scorpio.
This shit would have
You don't count. You're a couple of days out the way.
Yes.
Yo, how many minutes in are we? I think
I'm
we're
not
it's time for a
sure.
commercial break.
It is.
32.
It
White
is.
tea.
Who's white tea?
32.
White
Michelle.
tea.
Look, before we
Michelle
go,
Lucas.
you already did.
Michelle
No.
Lucas.
Before we go
Cousin
to a
Michelle.
commercial break, for our first night, we did have some Dear Abby letters, anonymous letters from different people wanting us to emphasize on situations that they're going through. We couldn't come to a conclusion on which letter to use. So, for tonight, we wanted people to chime in and give us anything you want to talk about and you want us to talk about tonight. If you want it to be anonymous and you don't want to put it in the comments, you can go in our inbox, or we have a telephone number you can call in. You won't Don't state your name because you will be on speaker. But you can mention whatever it is, whatever issue, whatever topic you would like for us to elaborate on tonight.
And
so
change
the phone
your
number,
voice.
change your voice if you think somebody
Oh,
knows
yeah,
who
yeah,
exactly. Because I have a tendency to have a good
Okay.
you know, that right ear.
Okay, be strong.
Yeah, that right ear be strong. Yeah,
Okay.
ear hustle.
Like her mama.
Right. So the phone number is 919-945-6907. So like I said, you can call in, state your topic.
Or inbox.
Or inbox. Or
Inbox.
if it's something you don't mind and you ain't no shame in your game, you know what I mean? And you just want to put it out there, you can put it in our comments and we'll go through during the commercial break and we'll pull something out and in our next segment, that's what we're going to jump off with.
All right. Let us get some music, Mr. DJ, while we take it to commercial.
Take it to commercial. It's over here. We're going to give you some cocaine from Tish Songbird.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
You wanna stay and cuddle at 9 in the morning, knowing you need to be gone. This is the 3rd time you have hit snooze on your phone. Oh, there's no need to figure out. I already know what it is. This narcotic done turned you out, but you already know. Like cocaine, around the
Stop it while you're on commercial?
No, it's cool.
You want to keep holding it?
Yeah. Not on. Just whatever.
Ahead of you. Can I go get my microphone?
Yeah. Just put it there.
You can't keep your hands off me. In this bad time, you always try to be around you, baby, keeping me close. Like crystal smoke behind your colors together. And you're my faithful customer. Always return 'cause you satisfy. Never complain when I get you high.
I'm going to read from it when we come back in.
Take 5, then you're back on me.
How do I comment? How you comment? I text him. He was saying to keep pausing because you're on Wi-Fi.
How did you do that? How you? I thought she was up there. No, it's up there.
Oh, it's up there. It's all right.
This album is 9 years old.
All right, y'all ready?
So I guess Derek's going to call in because he knows him. Okay. All right. You got the phone up? Oh, they using it. Okay.
There's no need to figure out. I already know what it is. This narcotic that turned you out, but you already know. Like cocaine,
Oh, man,
I need all that. That's the right.
All right, let's rock and roll.
All right. Ready?
you don't want.
Yes, ma'am.
The plastic ones, those plastic ones.
All right. All right. All right.
I think it's shot time.
Shot time.
Well, I mean, tea time.
Tea time. We need to open the
Tea
bottle.
time.
I ain't drinking. I'm drinking crown.
Okay. Yes, Lord.
These pure
I
flowers.
ain't messing with
Oh
the
my
tea.
god. Oh my god.
They messing with the dump.
You know what?
The tea.
Maybe it's not tea time. Maybe we should just. Mr. Kentrell.
Yes. Thank you, Kentrell. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Look, you threw that
Ain't
in,
no
chocolate.
water in it. I done spilled all the water out of it.
Chocolate tea, I heard
Okay,
you.
we back. He says it's pausing. One of our fans in our comments said it's pausing because we're not under the Wi-Fi. So we're trying to fix that for you, Derek Hinton. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Everybody's in our comments.
But everybody else is like say it's fine.
Oh, really? Are you at? Look, Boo Boo. Are you under the Wi-Fi at home?
Yes.
Why don't you go and give niggas something?
Nah, but the live.
I mean, I'm saying people names off there. I gotta read it from.
That's what I did.
Do what?
I'm trying to get it
number
open.
and then pin it. That's what I did.
It's gonna keep
I
freezing.
pinned the comment.
Is it still freezing?
Keep freezing.
What's
Was
the
it
number?
freezing, y'all?
No, I'm
Some
not.
people saying it's fine.
Some
Some people saying
it might
it
not
is.
be on Wi-Fi.
690.
They might not be.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, and then send it and then
Okay,
like,
where the
pin it.
shot glasses at?
Well, I got
By you.
Where you pinning it?
Right
And
here.
All right, it's tea time.
All right,
Tea
y'all.
time.
I'm mad because I don't know
I
what
just
they're doing
typed
over there. And I
Yeah,
just-
Just a
you
little bit
recording?
of tea.
No, but I just.
Oh shoot! Oh my God!
Girls, are y'all here?
Selfie mode.
Are you guys
Are
ready?
y'all ready? All right.
Okay, guys.
Mina?
So,
Yes. Ooh.
I'm the only one with some tea.
you thirsty?
No.
Yeah, you're the only one with tea.
I'm always
Yeah,
thirsty.
pass that over there.
But no, I'm never thirsty. My cup overflowing.
Hey.
Uh-oh.
Hey.
My cup overflowing.
Are we gonna make a toast for
Yes.
our first night
Uh-oh.
live?
They got me drinking
Oh,
tea.
baby.
There we
Here.
go. Take
Yeah,
it.
no, yeah, sorry.
I drink this. I stick with what I'm drinking.
Get you a cup.
I
You
don't
gotta
ain't
make
no
it
more.
I think, yeah,
Yes,
because it's tea
yes,
time. So
I'm
we need
sorry.
our tea.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh my God, you're so special, eccentric.
I am. That's why I'm eccentric.
That's the perfect name.
Exactly.
She what you doing?
Yes. Thank you.
Pick that
I'm still enthusiastic. It's
Ginger ale.
I know. You better sit down.
out. Never mind.
It's supposed to